Hello YouTubers and SSG followers. So I started the discussions on the forum and the flame goes on. So whatever you think, this is what I get. This is the end of the charging procedure number 19. So let me quick show you my measurement equipment. So on my charging battery, which I charged to the full capacity, 12.65 as expected. You see my wheel still running, so I can probably even do a lot more work, but I don't need to. I just need to see the voltage of my fully charged charging battery. It's charged to the 12.65. Okay, and now you will see the voltage of my primary battery, 11.77. So primary battery was discharged. It is discharged to the voltage level 11.77. So clearly I should state an obvious stuff. This system is not another unity, but you see the voltage which I produce, the type of the impulse on the DC current which I produce, it actually can charge another battery with the same capacity and the same chemistry. So decide for yourself. I just show you completely charged battery by the Bedini. My primary battery is discharged to the 11.77, but not to the full 11 volts. It's a border where you should always discharge discharge your battery. So do not discharge the battery below 11 volts. And for me, it just worked pretty well. So same battery is here, you see, and same battery is here. But one battery charged conventionally and another one non-conventionally. And the battery which I charged, it is here. Now for more, as I promised for you, I can measure the RPM of my wheel, which is currently running. So I put my device. You see, it showed me the value 494. I'm not sure it's accurate value. And let me hold this for 5 or 6 or 10 seconds. Okay, now let's try to see a values. I just put I click memory button, then other one, then other one. Let me hold this down. 4.1 RPM. So once again, I will point my device onto the wheel like this. Like this, you see the laser. Alright, and I'm measuring. So I'm not sure it's showing me the accurate values. Probably it calculates the average first. 36, yeah, it's probably more true. Nope. Okay, let's try this again. This is not current value. Accurate value. This is the current value. Accurate value. It's 27.6 RPM on my wheel currently. So the wheel running not so fast, but you see, this is actually enough to charge this battery. And I should stay following that. I got this full charge, not immediately when I started to charge this battery. It took me some time to get proper voltage level with this Bedini system. So at least 10 times you need to charge and discharge the battery, but each time you should charge your battery only from the Bedini. Do not try to charge the battery one time conventionally and then discharge and then other time charge non-conventionally with the Bedini circuit. This is not how it works. You should always charge and discharge this battery, one charging battery, only by the Bedini circuit. So you charge your battery by the Bedini circuit, then you discharge your battery, wait it a little bit, then another one, again you charge your battery from the Bedini circuit, and then once again you discharge your battery. So it works only this way. I'm not sure why people saying something different, and this is actually probably why the system not work properly when other people start to use different charge and discharge procedure onto the battery. So for me, my procedures how to charge and discharge a battery is very strict, and I mean by that I always charge this battery, this 12 volt 5 amp hour battery by the Bedini, then I discharge the battery under 20 hours load. It's like 250 milliamps. It happens separately from the Bedini circuitry, and as I stated many times, if you mix up this battery with a conventional energy, you will lose energy and you won't get any results. So don't do that. This is just not logic. There is no logic for what you are asking or advising other people. So do only one way, and the only one right way currently is to charge the battery with the Bedini circuitry, then wait, discharge the battery under 20 hours load, then again charge battery, then again discharge, and do this as many times as you need to. It takes time to actually work the battery right, and I have here one example, the batteries which are not suitable for this experiment, like this. This is not suitable because the liquid, the water in the battery cell, in this sealed lead acid battery, just vaporized. It goes away from some time to time because during the discharge procedure chemical action happens and the water molecule goes away. I know it's supposed to work that way, but after many charge and discharge procedures you won't get such results. So use the batteries where you can put distilled water, where you can observe the liquid level. This battery actually such built. The battery is built in such a way that I can take a simple flashlight and go with light through all of the cells. I can actually see in which state the cells in this battery, and this is only for research purpose, and this is not self-running system. If any people who telling you this is a self-running system, they are 100% wrong. This is not a self-running system. It takes power from the primary battery, from this battery. The primary battery always charged by the conventional means. So here you go, it's not an over unity system, at least in my case. And I stated this many times, this is not an over unity system. This is just a research to see how short but very powerful impulses produced on the DC current, what these impulses are doing to the other battery. And by other battery I mean to this battery which I actually charge. But this is not an over unity system. I do not have special tricks, and I cannot say this for this system, but probably some people observed over unity quality, but I'm not. And I'm telling you, that I'm interested only in only one thing: to spend less energy and gain more energy. And if I can do this, I can build a larger system with better qualities, and then I can claim some stuff. But I currently cannot claim any stuff. What I currently can show you, and I actually doing to you, I'm showing that my battery voltage level is 12.65. I should test the capacity of the battery with my load. Of course, there is no way to know how large capacity of my charged battery, but anyway, the sign that I'm charged, fully charged my battery is here. It's 12.65, and this is just my advice. If you're not sure what my system is doing, ask your question. If you not trust me, just build the system how Bedini tells. He tells to use proper circuitry, he tells to use copper wire, the same copper wire is in the coil. Probably I can do even better with my wiring. I can do small wire, even smaller than this, but this is only research. This is not how to say, this is not a production system where I can put in your house and just forget it. This is a research type system. This is an experimental type of system. But this system is just running, and I'm currently getting my results. So once again, fully charged battery on this side, 12.65, and almost discharged battery at this side. So once again, people do not understand what over unity means, and I cannot say myself that I fully understand what is over unity, but I can see the quality things which you should expect when you have an over unity system. And my system does not self-contain. The wheel moving only when I put initial force to the wheel with my hand. So do not think as difficult as it can be. It's simple system for research purpose, and research purpose is following: to observe very powerful and very strong voltage impulses which you get when you switch the system to the proper setup. So do not think this as a production type system where you can just put your house cord and just run from this system. This is not such type of system. And I'm bragging about this because I saw the comments in the internet about my video, and just I want to say this on the record. This is not an over unity system, but this is over unity. This is not an over unity system, but this is a system which can produce a lot of impulses. These impulses have special qualities, and the special qualities of these impulses doing something different to my other battery, which always previously was discharged to the 11 something volts. So always I start with discharged battery on the left, on the right I have always fully charged battery, and the fully charged battery is charged conventionally by the conventional means with the conventional current. So my goal of this video, I say this last time, my goal of this video is just to show you that you can charge your battery with the impulses which produce Bedini circuit. So this is for the record, and take it or leave it. And I'm actually I don't actually I think about these people, they are just ignorant, they do not have open minds. But anyway, this is how it runs, and this is my result for the charging procedure number 19. And thank you for viewing my channel. I hopefully in the next year will do best, and probably will do other experiments. But anyway, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.